Welcome back, everyone. We're going to do another video. This one's going to be on the Pets Alive from Zero Hamster Mania. What do you want to see what it does? You want to open it? Yeah, you want to open it? We're going to open it.
Yeah.
Okay. This actually moves in and out of its ball, apparently. It stops and goes. It comes alive with real sounds and movement. It does take batteries. I believe it's like 2 AAA. It's not that expensive. I think it's like somewhere around $10. Might actually be even less than that if you can get it less. There is like a few of them you can get. I believe there's 4. We have the pink one, of course, here. There's probably a blue and a yellow. And there's probably another color, but I don't know because it doesn't show on here. Of course, with Zuru products, they say you get so many things in this. This has 20 adorable sounds. I don't believe there's any surprises, really. I mean, I think it's straightforward. It's just the pet in there, and it does what it's supposed to do. Well, let's go ahead and crack this little thing out of here and see how cute it can be. Yeah? You want to see? Yeah. Hold on. Here we go. We're going to open this. Watch.
Yeah. Here, I'm bottom.
Yeah. See the ball? Look. You see? It's wrapping. It's coming unwrapped. Of course, we have some stickers stuck on it. For the most part. Would have been great if they didn't put that sticker on the top of it, because now we have stickiness on it. But I believe there's a wrap right here, so it might not be too bad to get this out. Let's do it this way. Don't normally like to use this. It's because I don't want to scratch it. Should come up now, hopefully. Easier. There we go. Well, I got part of it. Here we go. It might want to come undone. There we go. So it's just still a little bit of residue on there. Can't really see it because of the transparency of it, but it is right here. Alright, so what does this thing do? Looks like we have some tape here. More tape on top of tape. Okay. Let's get it open. Let's try not to damage it. Alright. And there's tape on the side too. Why not? Where there's 1, there's 2. Come on. I don't know if we're actually supposed to leave that tape on there, but it'll be okay. Alright. Now, somehow, this comes up. Oh, there's more tape. Of course. Why not? Let's tape every angle of the ball. Make it super hard to get to your hamster. There we go. Now, is there another one? Yes. There's one right here. This is a little more time consuming. Yeah, we're working on it. They taped your ball. Is there any more? No, there is no more. Alright, let's see. We have our hamster, of course. And there's gotta be a way to get it off of here. Oh, of course. It's got screws here. We got some screws. They gotta come out. Hopefully I brought the right size screwdriver, maybe?
Yeah.
This one's a little bit harder because the screws are a lot smaller. And this has to come out before I can put the batteries in it. let's see this. So we have our manual. Can't really read it. Hold on. Here's that. Alright, sorry about that. I had to get something for my daughter. Well, we might be able to get this hamster out of here. Alright. He wants to come out, maybe. Actually, I believe this one does not want to come out as easy. Actually, I don't know if you see it or not, but it kind of looks like it's stripping, like it's cheap. It's a cheap screw, and it looks like it's stripping. Hold on, I'm working on it, baby. Come on. Yeah, this is just stripping it. And I don't believe I have another screwdriver anywhere at the moment. Yeah. This is probably supposed to use this thing and swirl around in here or something. It's probably supposed to yeah, yeah. So this is probably going to be our worst unboxing yet because our screw actually stripped. Because of the poor quality of this unit, apparently. I'm praying that we don't need this plastic piece. Let's see. Do we actually need the plastic piece? If we don't need the plastic piece, then I'm just going to like break it off. Alright, here we go. There's that. In a bunch of different languages. So purple is the other color. Even if you did get an adult, your screw's still stripped. Turn the hamster on, press button, blah blah blah. Let's pray we don't need this. I mean, if we do, we still have one screw. Hopefully it just pulls it out of the other one. There we go. Because that screw actually stripped really bad. You can see, I can't really see it on the camera, but this one right here is actually stripped. Hopefully we don't need it. So I'm gonna try to push it in a little bit. Alright, so this is probably where our battery pack is. You having fun? Alright, here we go. We'll put our batteries in here. We're actually mixing batteries. Not something I would suggest doing, but it's all I had at the moment. Uh-oh. I hear him. He's alive. I don't know if he actually sits in here or something. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's moving. He's going everywhere. Or she's moving. She's like going everywhere all over the table. You're backing up in the Squirtle. Alright, let's see. Yeah? Alright. There's no way to turn it off. There it is. Alright, so the top of it, you can turn it off. Right here where the sound is. Sounds like it's eating. Right, hold on. Not for sure if we actually need this. It didn't really say. I would imagine you don't. And it's just as a placement holder so it doesn't jumble around. It says, okay, but it doesn't have like any instructions on anything to do with that. It just has the instructions to replace the batteries in it. Not really much to go on as far as directions, but you have a bunch of different languages here. All right. So that's our hamster. If you do need the base, I mean, you don't really have to. I mean, of course, it was actually using the ball. Here. She wants to see it real quick. And, of course, you get your little ball. And it does its little thing in it. Here. See it? You hear it? She's having a blast with it at the moment. Let it do it. Here, let it go. Let it do it. You gonna see it? There it goes. She's backing up. The hamster's going everywhere. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thought this was a cute thing to open up. She definitely wants it. So we're gonna go ahead and stop it real quick and put it in its ball and give it to her. And you're gonna say subscribe? Subscribe?
Yeah.
Subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this of the hamster from Zuru. We'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed.